Welcome to Electron ITS. My name is Rahul. Today I am going to start a fresh series on machine learning, and the name of the series is Let Machines Learn. This is session number 1. In this session, I will be discussing on a basic machine learning model, that is linear regression. Let's consider a scenario where you want to meet your three friends of name ABC. So I will draw a situation here. So this is you, and you want to meet your three friends. This is your friend A, this is B, and here your third friend is there, C. So every day you are going to meet them, but the thing is, every day their position will be different. They will be located at different positions. You are having some work with them, you will give things to them and take the things from them, and like this you will interact with them every day, but with different locations. At the different locations you will meet them. So this is your starting position. Here, from here, you are moving towards A. Then after this you start from here and you reach to B. Give some things to, you are giving some things to B and taking back some things from B, and again returning back to your friend A, like this. Then you are moving from A to your third friend C, giving some things to C, again returning back from C to your friend A, and again having some things here, interaction with A, and again going back to C, like this. So this path you are traveling only once you are traveling this path. This path you are traveling two times, and this third path you are traveling three times. So I'm taking this as a weights. So this 1 2 3, I'm taking it as a weights to our input. So I will explain this what is weight. So before uh, going further in the problem, I will write some code here, Python code. So for writing the code, I am using basic Python tool, which is ideally. So here first we need to import some packages. So from random import rand int, that is random integer. Then next we'll require sklearn dot linear model. Since we are using linear model in this case, so we will use linear underscore model import linear regression. After importing these packages, let's create two empty list to store your inputs and your output. So input will create one list, and for output one more list. So I will tell you what is input and output in our case. So for example, this is your first. So from towards A you are going, so to A, to B, and to C. Okay, so these are your inputs, and the total path traveled by you will be summation of all these three. So this will be your output. So these are your input, these three are will be your input, and your output will be sum of all these three. So for example, this distance is 50, then this distance is 40, and this distance is 30. So this will be 50, This will be 2 multiplied by 40 because doing you are running from A to B two times, from A to B and B to A, so same distance. So that's why 2 multiplied by 40, and here you are traveling the same distance three times, so that's why 3 multiplied by 30. So your output will be, this will be 80 plus 90 plus 50. So this will be 220. So 220 is your output as a distance. So same ways, this is the situation of first day. So for second day, they will be located at different positions at different locations like this. So this is your A, this is you, this is A friend, this is B friend, this is C friend, like this. So this is your distance from your point to A. Then A to B will be like this. So two times you have to go to from A to B and B to A, come back, and then between A to C you will be traveling the same distance three times. Okay, so different locations and then different calculations you will get for the second day. Okay, so the same thing we will write in a code. So input is nothing but these numbers 50, then 40 and 30. So this becomes your first input. Second input will be depending on the locations of your friends for that particular day. And what is the output? Output is nothing but the sum of all these three distances multiplied by their weights. Weights means how many times we are doing the thing, how many time we are crossing that path. So from initial position to A, we are doing it only one time, so its weight is 1. Then from A to B, we are crossing, we are traveling that path two times, so corresponding weight is 2. And from A to C, we are passing, or we are traveling the path three times, so its corresponding weight is 3. So these are the weights. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity about input and output, and we are storing it in a list which will which we will further append. Now I will write one for loop. So to train our model, we'll require to give our model a multiple cases. I will use here range function. 100 times we'll run this loop, and then for your A friend, we'll use random integer from, let's say, from 0 to any random integer. It may take from 0 to 500. Same case for B and C. Here I will write B, and for C friend, so it will take any random integer from 0 to 500, and then the final result I will store in one variable final, which is equal to A plus 2 multiplied by B plus 3 multiplied by C. Okay, like this. After this, we need to append the input. So input dot append, because we have created the empty list earlier. So in this, you have to pass that list as A, B and C, because these are our inputs. And then the same way we have to append output also. Output means, or the final value, which is summation of all these three. So we'll store we will use the variable final variable where we have stored the result, summation result. After this, we need to use the linear regression class. So for that, I will take any variable LR as a object, and to access the elements of this class, we will use this object which is LR. So you can take any other object, any other name. Make sure that you are following the case sensitivity, that is L and R capital, and then using the same variable and using dot fit command, you can train your model. So here your X is your input and Y is your output. So here we have stored X is equal to input and Y is equal to output, and then we will store the test input in one variable, we call it as X test, and here I will give any test input. So test input means any uh, three values. So here I have taken 50, 40 and 30. You can take 34. So 34 is the distance between your position to your friend A position. Then 23, that is the distance between A and B, and 27, that is the distance between A and C. Okay, so these are the distances, so which are nothing but the test input, and the final result we will store in one variable output is equal to LR dot predict. Always remember, for testing we use dot fit command, for prediction, for training purpose we use dot fit command, and for testing purpose we use dot predict command. Here we use only X and not X and Y. So for prediction we use only one input, that is X. Here I will use X underscore test, and finally I will print the output. So our output, integer value of output, is stored in output variable. And now let's run this code. So here what I did, so here I have divided the data into two parts. So we have already divided the data into two parts, input and output. So the same thing here we are using. Okay, so input and output. For for training purpose we require both input output. So this is our data, right? So in this data we have divided this into input and output. So some of the data, so this data we will use for training purpose. So for training we will require both, we will require input as well as output, but for testing we will require only input. So that's why we are passing only input here. See, we are passing only input X, there is no Y here. So whatever result we will get, so after giving this input we will get some result here, right? So this result we will store in one variable. Here we are storing in output variable, and then we will check this output with this actual output. If they are matching, means our algorithm is working fine. So this is what the machine learning does. Okay, so let me check the output now. Here I forget to mention it in a capital. Okay, so here we need to pass one more list inside this list, since they are the parameters and it is acting as a one day parameter only. So that's why we need to put one more list there. So list inside the list. Yeah, now it is showing the result, which is 161. So when you multiply 34 plus 2 into 23 plus 3 into 27, you will get 167. That means we are getting the accurate prediction. I hope you like this video and you got the understanding of linear regression model. In coming lectures, I will talk more about the further models of machine learning like logistic regression, then classifiers, random forest, etc. Keep visiting our channel and please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you.